need to go for gold. I went into this going, I'm not going to be competitive.
Oh, yeah.
It's about competitive. That's what it's about. It's fun, but it is competitive.
I mean, we're here, we're having fun. And that means because I'm having fun, I'm allowed to buy another car. It's me again. God, I literally sound like I've just woke up because I pretty much have just woke up. So we had Japfest yesterday. I am rolling on about 0 sleep, which is always good. And let's drive out the driveway. I have agreed to do like that auto test. So if you watch the Subaru video, I'll put a link. Camera's gone wonky. I'll put a link here. When John took me out in his Subaru. So today I have decided to take part in my Starlet, in Buddy. So today's event isn't like, I think my stereo cut in, so it probably cuts out at that point. So it's, this event that I'm doing isn't like the event that I did with John and his Subaru. This is a field event. So Buddy, again, if you check my little video about Buddy, is a pretty much standard Starlet. He has an induction kit. The suspension standard, it's on SR springs, which means it sits about 20 minutes? Jeez, you can tell I haven't slept. 20 mil lower than a standard Starlet. I'm led to believe. I'm sure if I'm wrong, somebody will jump in the comments. So, I mean, you know, it's got exhaust. We're in the 1.3 category, class 3 category. I'm gonna stop talking and drive to the event. Okay, so I'm at the event. I forgot my helmet, so I've got a spare helmet. Probably COVID ridden, you know. That is the field that I will be attempting to get around. The only main objective of today is to get around the field and remember the course. And my exhaust not fall off, because my exhaust has been getting louder and louder and I've got a very worried feeling it's going to fall off.
Here we go. Go straight a second. And obviously try and go, like when you go through it, go left, because you've got to go right round this cone, yeah? So back in the first, and get it right round, nice and slowly. That's good. Good. Start feet powering, and up to the top. Good, so this is a hairpin, so go out wide, first gear, and just get it in nice and tight, slowly, and then on throttle. And then this is quite a 90 left, so be ready to really turn it in here, turn, lovely, and this is a figure of 8, so you want to be in first, get tight to this cone, go out wide, lovely, and then feed it right round, full lock, in, perfect, and then out wide, remember, we'll go up around here, second gear, that's it, just careful to go understeer a little bit out here, and then start the feet power on, go, she's going down to the, go quite fast down here, and then you've got to start to turn right, keep going right, and we're going to go through the bottom side of this gate, yeah? Yeah. So nice and steady, so keep powering, pow, up to the top, and then it's almost like another hairpin, yeah? And nice and slowly, because I was just going to just slide it about. That's good, right, pow. Good, it's quite sharp left, take it by surprise, get that power down, that's it, and then be ready to brake early because it will slip. Perfect. Did it. Well done.
Okay, that was the first run done. The adrenaline is like absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. This is the funniest thing I've ever done. It was so fun. John, who's literally had to run off, he's passaging loads of people. He's done amazing. I'm gonna get my helmet off. Okay, that's better. God, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. This is the best thing I've ever done. There's my name.
Have you got a taxi and get me back from over the other side?
I'm massively slower than everybody else.
Alright, go for it.
Alright.
Yeah. So keep the power on. So head left, quite wide, and then drop it in the first, and then feed it in. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Go on, power, 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 power. Good. Lovely. Right, so out wide again. Into first. Feed it in, feed it in, feed it in. Power, power, power. It's alright, it's okay, it's okay.
Fuck's sake.
It's quite tight here. So hard left, 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 left. Down into first. Feed it in, feed it in. Yes, Starlet. Come on. Right, slow down. 127. Quicker already.
I don't know what I did the last one.
Did like a 134. You took like nearly 5 seconds off.
So we pulled 5 seconds off, second lap. He's a co-driver, right? So that's what co-drivers do. We co-drive.
Anything to get the time down. You'll be alright.
We're gonna get this.
I love it. What's the best time so far? Not with Michael.
Not with Michael. 117 something.
Fucking not bad. I'd be happy with that. Considering like they're doing 115s.
What are you down to? 117?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
I'd be well happy with that.
Yeah.
First time doing an off-road event.
No.
Where's that put you on the leaderboard?
Oh, I don't know. Nowhere near.
Beating the MXs.
I'm gonna say you got to be like mid-board.
I think that's 124 they just got the MX. The green one, I believe.
Need to go for gold. I went into this going, I'm not going to be competitive.
Oh yeah.
It's all about competitive. That's what it's about. It's fun, but it is competitive.
Yeah.
We
If it was
always.
competitive, it wouldn't be fun, would it?
No, exactly. I think it's brilliant. I
Me
actually
and them
love
were
it.
always like, yeah,
So
we'll just have a bit of fun today and we'll have a bit of a laugh.
Yeah,
And then
it's all of a sudden it's like, come on.
All of a sudden to Matt, I'm like, what's my best time?
I got to the start line and Wayne's like that. He's like, right, listen, what you need to do is. Big breath. And then go for it. And then fucking drill it.
First straight into second, isn't that really?
Yeah, accelerating first though. Go, 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 keep going, go, go, go. Second. That's better. Right, slow it up in the first. Get that front end round. Bring it round. Come on, power, 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 power. Keep going. That's it. Keep going this side of it. And then down to first. That's good. Turn it in, turn it in, turn it in. Lovely. Sharp left. Get down into first. Get down to first. That's third.
Right.
That's third. Nice. It's nice. You do good. Big turn. Big turn. Big turn. Big turn. Come on, power, 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 power. That's better.
I think that was lap 4.
That's run 4. Yeah.
Yeah, that was 4. We did a 119, which that round 3 seems so much quicker, so I don't see why that's slower. But I mean, we're here, we're having fun, and that means because I'm having fun, I'm allowed to buy another car. We're making improvements, people. So first 92.73, second 87.16, 90. Ah, that's our last one. So we were quicker. I'm completely wrong. 79.83. Yes.
Back up a little bit. Well done.
I'm actually a bag of nerves. That was run 5. That was 118. Oh my god. Whew. I'm sweating out in here. We've got 1 run left. Today has been amazing. I don't know if the camera would have picked up, but I nearly hit the cone at the end. I just didn't quite stop quick enough, but it was fine. We missed it. It was all good. we have completed. Buddy doesn't look too worse for wear. I mean, we've got a bit of grass going on. We just got little features and the cobweb that was already there.
If it's in the
Fast
Fiesta
when the
shell,
building
maybe.
close so you can be seen. I'm going to have to go wide angle, I think.
What are you saying?
Sorry, trying not yet.
Not turn your phone to landscape.
Oh, look.
Sorry, mate.
Smart ass.
I'm dying, like, I'm dying somewhere to come out. Came third, people. Third, not out of overall, like, I'm not that good. I'm not good at all anyway, but out of all the girls that were there, I came third. So I'm going to take that for my first ever event. I can't even put into words how chuffed I am with that. I'm unbelievably chuffed. So that's it, my first official Isle of Wight Car Club event. Now I'm going to hopefully get a car that is just for car club, because I absolutely loved it. So I didn't buy anything because I was like, if I didn't like it, then it would have been a car that I pointlessly bought. Although the next event is back at the sandpit, which you'll see from the video that I went out with John. It was a bit of a car killer. So I don't know whether I will race at that event or whether we'll just go around and have a little look. But that is it. Like, that's been my weekend. I've done japfest, I've done this. I am dying now. I am completely beyond dead. What a weekend. Monday, Tuesday, I will take time to message everybody back and just like recover. I'm gonna need 2 days to recover for sure. So next time I should be on here, I have no idea even what I'm doing. I think there's a local breakfast meet, maybe there might be that going on. I don't know. I have no idea what event would be next. Gravity, potentially. Or tracks, definitely will be at tracks. But hey, thank you for everyone. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, go check out everything else. If you're a loyal original, thank you for watching and supporting, and we shall be back soon.